Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations. I'm here in our latest project, which was a knockdown rebuild. And if you're building a new house from scratch, the great news is that it means you can put your plumbing wherever you like. You don't have to deal with what was there before. In the main bathroom, we really wanted to make a feature out of something the moment you walk through the door. We decided to put the bath right at the end so that that's what you saw sitting under the window as soon as you came through the door. And we tucked the toilet behind the door because we love to hide a toilet. That's not what you want to see as you enter a bathroom. And in the ensuite, we had the space to create an ensuite layout we love. And that's where you tuck the shower and the toilet back to back in separate little walk-around cubicles behind a wall. And on that wall, we've anchored a statement bath with a skylight above it. One of the first things you see is this vanity basin combo. Both are from the Kado range, and this basin is actually the Kado Lucy solid surface thin edge basin, and it just looks beautiful sitting here. It's a statement feature in itself, and with the gorgeous brushed gold tapware. We wanted this feature moment with the bath under the window, and that's certainly been achieved, and you can see how much we love a floor mounted tap. And this is also the Mizu Drift range, and it looks gorgeous in that brushed gold. And don't forget about your accessories. You know, we've done these towel rails from the same range, and it just ties everything together. We love the Mizu Drift range because it's enabled us to stay within budget and not compromise on look or quality. And our big moment really is the shower, where we've got this curved wall, which is a little bit different, and a nice big opening in this walk-around shower. And again, all the same tapware here. So you see how we've tucked the toilet behind the door here? That's something we love to do. So this is the main part of the ensuite. We love putting a freestanding bath under a skylight, surprise, surprise. This bath is the Kado Luxe Petite. It's gorgeous, it's 1.5 meters long, which is all you need. And it's opposite the vanity here, where we've got two basins, a huge mirror, which just makes the space feel amazing. Exactly what you need here. But the best bit, and our favorite part of doing a layout like this, is what's behind these two walls. Doorless, but still have enough privacy by sitting behind this wall. And behind this wall is the walk-in shower. We've got the rain head overhead shower. We like to put extra effort into our laundries. We sometimes feel as though they're a forgotten space, but not in our homes. And the powder room is so important. That's where your guests are pretty much guaranteed to visit. We've designed it so that the moment you walk through the door, you're greeted by a beautiful basin and tap, and the taps we've had coming out of a wall-to-wall mirror. So the kitchen is the hub of the home, and we've positioned it that way on our floor plan and made sure that there's a gorgeous huge sink and tap on the island. If you're planning a bathroom renovation or new build, Reece are your partners in planning and designing your dream bathroom.